Hello, everyone. Welcome to English speaking practice. I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Mark. Today we're going to talk about something super fun. Can you guess what it is? Food.
That's right. Everyone loves food, right? It's one of the best things in life.
Absolutely.
And you know what? Talking about food is one of the easiest ways to practice English. It's a topic everyone can join in on.
That's so true. When you meet someone new, you can ask them about their favorite food. It's a friendly question that makes people smile.
Yeah, it's much easier than talking about difficult topics.
Food is simple, fun, and it helps you make friends. So today, we're going to teach you how to talk about your favorite food in English. We'll use easy words and simple sentences, and we'll also share some stories and fun phrases you can use anywhere, at home, at school, or even when you travel to other countries. All right, let's start.
Mark, what's your favorite food?
Ooh, that's easy. I love tacos. I could eat tacos every single day and never get tired of them.
Tacos? Really? What kind of tacos do you like?
I like chicken tacos with cheese, lettuce, and a little bit of hot sauce. The hot sauce makes it spicy and exciting.
That sounds delicious. I can almost taste it right now. For me, my favorite food is fried rice.
Fried rice? That's a great choice. Why do you like fried rice?
I like it because it's warm, filling, and it reminds me of my grandmother. She used to make it for me when I was little.
Oh, that's sweet. See, everyone, when you talk about your favorite food, always say why you like it.
That makes your answer more interesting.
Exactly. Don't just say, I like pizza. Say, I like pizza because it's cheesy and makes me happy.
Right. Let's practice together. Everyone listening, repeat after us. Ready? I love hamburgers because they're tasty.
I like soup because it's warm and cozy.
I enjoy fruit because it's fresh and healthy.
Great job. Did you say them out loud? Speaking is important. Don't just listen. Practice speaking too.
Yes, the more you speak, the better you get. It's like riding a bike. At first, you might fall, but soon you can ride easily.
Perfect example, Anna. Now let's learn some useful words to describe food. These words will help you sound more natural.
The first word is sweet. Sweet means it has sugar or tastes like sugar. Candy is sweet. Cake is sweet. Next is salty. Salty means it has salt. Chips are salty. French fries are salty.
Then we have spicy. Spicy means hot. Not hot like temperature, but hot like it burns your mouth a little bit. Hot peppers are spicy.
Another word is sour. Sour means it tastes sharp, like lemons. When you eat something sour, your face might scrunch up like this.
I love that face. We also have crispy. Crispy means something is hard and makes a crunching sound when you bite it, like potato chips or fried chicken.
And soft. Soft is the opposite of crispy. It's easy to chew. Bread is soft. Bananas are soft.
One more important word, juicy. Juicy means it has a lot of liquid inside. Watermelon is juicy.
Using these words in
Oranges are
sentences.
juicy.
Repeat after me. This apple is sweet and juicy. I like crispy bacon in the morning. This lemon is too sour for me. Mexican food is often spicy.
Excellent. Now you can describe food like a pro. You know, Anna, food isn't just about taste. It's also about memories.
You're so right. Food connects us to special moments in our lives. When I eat fried rice, I remember sitting in my grandmother's kitchen.
That's beautiful. For me, when I eat tacos, I remember family dinners on Friday nights. We would all sit together and talk and laugh.
See, everyone, food is more than just eating. It's about family, love, and happy times.
Exactly. So when you talk about your favorite food in English, you can also share a memory. This makes your English more personal and real.
Let's give some examples. You can say, I love pancakes because my dad makes them on weekends. Or, ice cream reminds me of summer days at the beach.
Or, my mom's chicken soup makes me feel better when I'm sick. These sentences are simple but powerful. They tell a story. They show emotion. And that's what good English is all about.
It's not about using big, fancy words. It's about expressing yourself clearly and honestly.
Absolutely. Now, let's learn some phrases you can use when talking about food. These are very useful in everyday conversation.
First phrase, I'm a big fan of. This means you really like something a lot. For example, I'm a big fan of Italian food.
Next, I can't live without. This is a fun way to say something is very important to you. Like, I can't live without coffee in the morning.
Another one, I'm craving. This means you really want to eat something right now. I'm craving chocolate means you want chocolate at this moment.
Let's practice these phrases. I'm a big fan of pizza.
I can't live without rice.
I'm craving ice cream right now.
Perfect. These phrases make you sound natural and confident. Use them with friends. Now, what about food you don't like? How can we talk about that politely?
Great question. You don't want to be rude, right? So instead of saying, I hate this, you can say, it's not really my thing.
That's much nicer. Or you can say, I'm not a big fan of it. For example, I'm not a big fan of spicy food.
These phrases show respect for other people's tastes. Not everyone likes the same food, and that's okay.
Exactly. You might love fish, but your friend might not. Now, let's talk about restaurants. When you go to a restaurant, what do you say?
Good topic. First, when the waiter comes, they might ask, are you ready to order? You can answer, yes, I'd like the chicken sandwich, please. Or, can I have the vegetable soup, please?
Notice we use please at the end. It's very important. Please makes you polite and friendly.
And if you want to ask about the food, you can say, what's in this dish? Or, is this very spicy?
If you have a special request, you can say, can I have it without onions? Or could you add extra cheese?
Let's practice a restaurant conversation. I'll be the waiter, you be the customer.
Okay.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the spaghetti, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'll have orange juice, please.
Perfect. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
See how easy that was? Just simple, polite sentences.
And don't worry about mistakes. People will understand. The important thing is to try.
Now, let's learn some compliments. When food tastes good, you can say, this is delicious. You can also say, this tastes amazing, or this is so good.
If someone cooks for you, say, thank you for the meal. It was wonderful. Or, everything was great. Thank you so much. These small sentences make people
Describe
happy.
the food. I'll name a food and you describe it. First one, chocolate.
Chocolate is sweet, smooth, and delicious. It makes me happy.
Next one, potato chips.
Potato chips are crispy, salty, and crunchy. They're a great snack.
Excellent. How about lemon?
Lemons are sour, juicy, and yellow. They make your face scrunch up like this.
I love that face.
This is a fun way to practice. You can play this with friends or family. Now let's talk about healthy food and junk food. Healthy food gives you energy. Junk food tastes good, but isn't very healthy.
It's okay to eat sometimes, but not every day. Balance is important.
Your body needs good food to work well. Think of your body like a car. It needs good fuel.
So feed your body fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and protein. But it's okay to have pizza or ice cream sometimes.
Now let's learn food expressions. Piece of cake means something easy.
Spill the beans means to tell a secret.
Cool as a cucumber means calm.
In a pickle means in trouble.
Now, Mark, have you ever tried food from other countries?
Yes, I've had sushi from Japan, Curry from India, pasta from Italy, tacos from Mexico.
Trying new foods is a great way to learn about the world.
When you travel, try local food and describe it using English.
Now, let's talk about cooking. Do you like to cook?
I do. I'm not a great cook, but I enjoy simple meals like eggs, sandwiches, pasta.
Cooking helps you learn English too. Recipes teach words like chop, mix, bake, fry, boil.
For example, first I chop the onions, then I fry them in oil.
Now, what's your comfort food?
Tomato soup with grilled cheese. It reminds me of childhood.
Mine is macaroni and cheese, warm and cozy.
Comfort food makes you feel loved.
Think about your comfort food and describe it in English.
Now let's review everything we learned today. How to talk about favorite food,
Descriptive words like sweet, salty, spicy, sour, crispy, soft, juicy.
useful phrases like I'm a big fan of, I can't live without, I'm craving,
Polite negative phrases. Ordering food in restaurants. Compliments, expressions, cooking verbs.
That's a lot. You should be proud.
Every word you learn is progress.
Your homework, talk about food with someone this week.
And if you're alone, talk to yourself in the mirror.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Learning a language is like cooking. Sometimes you burn the food, sometimes it's perfect.
Before we finish, repeat after us. My favorite food is pizza because it's cheesy and delicious.
I'm a big fan of ice cream.
I love cooking with my family.
This cake is sweet and tasty.
Thank you for the wonderful meal.
Perfect. You sound great.
Food is one of the best topics for practicing English.
So the next time you eat something delicious, describe it in English.
Language learning happens in small moments.
Every conversation counts. Every word matters.
Start today. We believe in you.
Keep practicing, stay positive, and enjoy the process.
Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Talk today.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep talking about the food you love.